Hi guys, so let's do the second question now. An incomplete table showing the y values corresponding to several x values of the quadratic function y equals x squared minus 2x within the interval minus 2 less than and equal x and x less than and equal 4. So the x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the y values are 8, 3, 0, minus 1, 0. And we have a blank here, we have to fill it. And finally 8. So let's do the first question first. We are asked to find the value of y when x equals to 3. It is given that y equals x squared minus 2x. So by substituting 3 for x in the equation y equals x squared minus 2x, we can get y equals 3 squared minus 2 into 3. So 3 to the power 2 is 9 minus 2 into 3, that is 6. So y equals 9 minus 6, that is 3. Hence, when x equals 3, y is also equal to 3. So let's do the second question. Using the standard system of axes and a suitable scale, draw the graph of the given quadratic function on a graph paper according to the above table of values. So we are asked to draw the graph of the given quadratic function. So let's take a graph paper. Draw the axes x and y and mark them. So now let's mark the coordinates. So we have a coordinate minus 2 and 8. Here minus 2 is the x-axis value and 8 is for the y. Let's mark the point corresponding minus 2 in the x-axis and 8 in the y-axis. So this is the point. Similarly, we have minus 1 and 3. So minus 1 in the x-axis and 3 in the y-axis. Third one, 0 and 0. 0 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis. So it will be the point at origin. Then we have 1 minus 1. 1 is in the x-axis and minus 1 in the y-axis. 2, 0. 2 is in the x-axis and 0 is in the y-axis. 3, 3. 3 in the x-axis and 3 in the y-axis. 4, 8. 4 in the x-axis and 8 in the y-axis. So we have completed marking the coordinates now. So let's draw the curve. So let's do the third question. Write the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. So we are asked to write the coordinates of the turning point. So look at the graph. The graph turns at this point. The coordinate of this point is 1 minus 1. Hence the coordinate of the turning point is 1 minus 1. So let's move to the fourth question. Express the quadratic function in the form of y equals x minus a all to the power 2 plus b. Here a and b are two numbers. The quadratic equation given is y equals x squared minus 2x, and we are asked to give this in the form of y equals x minus a all to the power 2 plus b. So it's quite challenging question. Let's do this. To make the right hand side into a perfect square, we have to take the half of the x term coefficient and square it. So we have y equals x squared minus 2x. To make the right hand side into a perfect square, we have to take the half of the x term coefficient and square it and add the value obtained to the both sides. Seems quite confusing, but let's do it and find it. So here the x term coefficient is 2. Half of it is 1 and square of it is also 1. So add 1 to both sides of the equation. We get y plus 1 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. We can write x squared minus 2x plus 1 as x minus 1 all to the power 2. So y plus 1 equals x minus 1 all to the power 2. Now let us make y as the subject of this equation. So it is y equals x minus 1 all to the power 2 minus 1. So we can write this as y equals x minus 1 all to the power 2 plus minus 1. Because we need this equation in the form of y equals x minus a all to the power 2 plus b. Since we need a plus here, we are changing this equation. So now we have derived the form what we needed. So here a equals 1 and b equals minus 1. So keep this in mind, this is minus 1. Okay guys, so we shall do the next question. Write the interval of values of x on which the function increases within the interval y greater than 1 and less than and equal to 3. So here we are asked to find the interval of values of x when y increases in the interval of minus 1 and 3. So let's mark the point y equals to minus 1 and let's mark the point y equals to 3. So now check the corresponding values of x for y equals to minus 1 and y equals to 3. When y equals to minus 1, x equals to 1, and when y equals to 3, x is also equal to 3. So the interval value of x is x greater than 1 and less than and equal to 3. Since there is a equal sign only to the 3, there will be a equal sign to the 3 here as well. So the answer is x greater than 1 and less than and equal to 3. So guys, I hope you have understood the second question clearly and thoroughly. So we shall meet in the next video with the third question. Thank you.